For me, it was, why did I go to law school to begin with? Why do I even want to help people? Why do I want to help families? Why do I want to help children? And some of it came back to certain core values that I live by that were not always matching the environment that I was working in at other law firms. And that's not to say those other law firms didn't have good values. It's more to say at the end of the day, I would be working under the values of someone else versus my own. And
Hmm.
I think my values and my thought process have a gift that hasn't been seen yet. So
Hmm.
why not give of that? And along the way, I have had people jump on the same ship and they're like, yes, I can relate to what you want to do. I can relate to the message that you want to spread. When I was a child and my mom barely had any money and we didn't know where to start, I felt the frustration of being without not only the financial means, but more importantly, the educational means to know what to do. We fortunately had amazing law enforcement officers that responded to our calls. I still admire them to this day. We had an amazing nonprofit organization called Interactive Wake that helped us in the capacity that they could. And my mom found an attorney that, even though my mom had limited financial means, was willing to work with her. So why can't I pay it forward? And so that was the thought process going into creating a law firm. A pandemic had hit, so I wasn't traveling. I wasn't doing much else. I wasn't married yet. So I was like, let's do it. Worst case scenario, I end up on my brother's couch. Here we are with 4 attorneys, slated to be 5 before the end of the year. We're continuing to grow both in terms of the clients we serve, but also our regional and hopefully national impact as the dream continues to get bigger.